In front of me is Lenovo Tab M8 3rd generation, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Dev Check, like that. Nextly, install this free app from Flar2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your tablet's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!